Conversation. Personal information. Hello. What's your surname?
Hello, my surname's Kung. And you?
My surname's Sok. What's your first name?
My first name's Marini. And you?
My first name's Dara. How do you spell your surname?
Teng. And you?
Sok. Where are you from?
I'm from Takeo province in Cambodia and I'm Khmer. And you?
I'm from Kandal province in Cambodia and I'm Khmer. What's your phone number?
My phone number is 0963033788. And you?
My phone number is 0979344439. What's your email address?
My email address is marinitang@gmail.com. And you?
My email address is darasok@gmail.com. By the way, how old are you?
I'm 18 years old. And you?
I'm 19 years old. Nice to talk with you. Bye.
Me too.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Srayoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.